Dilma Rousseff put on a brave face as she entered the upper house of Congress to address the Senate and the nation, perhaps for the very last time as president of Brazil. But her message was emotional and sharp.
The Constitution clearly sets out the necessity for impeachment on the basis of a crime, an impeachment process which commits the violent act of removing an innocent president is called a coup d'etat.
Rousseff repeated her assertion that she had not taken money from public banks illegally to mask a massive public deficit, adding that Congress had sabotaged her attempts to lift the economy. But her arguments failed to impress her opponents.
Her government was a massive failure that led Brazil into an immense crisis. Inflation, recession, and public debt have all increased.
These may not be impeachable offenses, but they help explain why many who heard her speak were not moved either.
For sure, Brazil will be better without Dilma. I do believe that Brazilians will be happy again. We will find work. Brazil will develop.
There were small but vocal groups of Brazilians, especially from social movements, who marched towards the Senate to show their support for the leftist leader. Inside, she answered question after question, with former President Lula da Silva looking on grimly. But despite Rousseff's often dramatic and firm testimony, for many Brazilians, the issue is not technical or legal, but political. And in that sense, the president did not offer what some wanted to hear, and that is guarantees that if she is reinstated, things will be different next time round. Even Rousseff's staunchest supporters are indicating that her fate is sealed.
We are playing a game with marked cards where the decision was already made and different segments of Brazilian politicians want to take power without going through elections.
But in what was to be a marathon session, Rousseff persisted, warning that she would not go down without a fight and that history would judge them all. Lucia, Newman, Jazeera, Brasilia.